Windows Server 2012's beta has a special branch called FBLSRVWDACXML, and it is unique to build 7959. Aside from that, no other beta uses this branch. Its biggest feature is that it includes the Sysinternals Suite, the IDW tools, and a copy of Windows Performance Analyzer by default. The download link for the ISO has already been pinned on the screen, and you can also download it from Internet Archive. The first boot animation is the Windows 7 logo. As you can see, the installer banner is from Windows 7, but it identifies itself as Windows 8. Even strangers, in OOBE it is referred to as Server 2008 R2 again. After entering the desktop, what catches my eye is a Sudoku wallpaper and a strange basic theme. The resolution settings interface is also quite odd, with flattened buttons. The windows are perfect rectangles, with absolutely no rounded corners. It seems that early Windows Server 2012 already had a lot of macro elements. The start menu has also been flattened. What a masterpiece of art. What is your opinion? After I installed the GPU driver and turned on the desktop experience, I found another issue. Is the arrow theme unable to turn on, or did it only change the color of the taskbar? Apparently there is more than that. The windows now have rounded corners. This is the first boot after unlocking Red Pill. Oh my god! What is that? An alien? It's really ugly. The login screen has some small changes, and the button has been changed. The early start screen is honestly a bit rough in terms of design. You can also open the Settings app with a shortcut key. There are not many things that can be changed in Settings yet, and Control Panel is still the main focus. The CAD interface also has some changes, and the Task Manager, that opens by default, is the newer version. The buttons in the system's ribbon UI are still circular one by one. Although it is rough, everything works. Now, let's take a look at the system's disk usage. The system is using 11.8 GB of disk space, which is not bad. Memory usage is around 715 megabytes, and CPU usage fluctuates quite a lot. In System Properties, you can see that the system name is Server 2008 R2 Enterprise. The banner in WinVer is the same as well. Now let's see what new features it has. I can't wait anymore. First, create a new folder in the root directory of the C drive, and name as follows. After opening it, it becomes an Applications folder. This is much more convenient than searching from the Start menu. And all of these apps can open normally. Open Run and enter the following contents in the operation box. Then you can open an early Metro IE browser. But I think not many people like to use it. What about you? Still open Run and input the following content. This is actually a PDF reader that has not been fully developed yet. I don't even know how to use it. Keep opening Run, then enter the following content. This will open the Advanced Task Manager, but it is not as mature as the old Task Manager or the new Task Manager. In theory, we can open 3 Task Managers at the same time. Just like this, it looks really cool. Open Run again and input the following content in the operation box. In this way, it can be opened the newer Server Manager. I feel like this interface is too minimal, with almost nothing but white in the middle. There is way too much empty space. It becomes very obvious when compared with the old Server Manager. Continue and open Run, then enter the following content. In this way, it can be opened the newer OOBE, but it is a little strange. I do not really know how to describe it. I think the problem is that the flat buttons do not match the wallpaper. What we are looking at now are the Sysinternals tools. Honestly, there are not many in here that I actually recognize. Finally, let's install some third-party apps. WeChat installs and opens normally. Logging in should also be fine. Urong also has no problems, and its features work properly. Media's Cloud Music fails to show the progress bar correctly during installation and throws an error, so it cannot be opened. Microsoft Edge keeps getting stuck at the downloading stage. After a while, it will throw an error saying it cannot connect to the internet, but I can guarantee that the network is perfectly fine. Overall, this system combines Windows 7, Windows 8, and Server 2008 R2 into one. Just like I mentioned at the beginning, the Windows 7 installer, the Windows 8 terms, and the Server 2008 R2 name. There are quite a lot of new things too, such as the newer Server Manager and the Advanced Task Manager. Because of time limits, I did not go into detail on those. You can try them out yourself. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.